Hi, so today we'll be crafting a Maid outfit. This was inspired by my recent trip to a Maid cafe. Well, I say recent, more like 9 months ago. But if you want to hear about the actual trip, I'll put the video for that at the end of the video, so stick around. Anyway, this craft mostly just uses felt instead of the wool I normally use. Okay, so we're making the arms right now before moving on to the main part of the outfit. I actually have a tiny model of me which allows me to figure out the measurements and where to cut the armholes. It's sorta like a mannequin you can use for drawing, since mine also has armaturing, basically metal wire that allows me to move the different body parts around. That said, it still can be hard to get the correct measurements, and I wish I made it ever so slightly bigger, since it's a bit of a tight fit. I don't have a degree in making clothes or anything, so this is all just a learning experience. Next, the skirt was quite fun to make. I needed 2 separate parts of it since I wanted a frill for the edge of the skirt, but I didn't want that to take over the entire thing. I also wanted the skirt to have some depth, so I added a white circle underneath it. This was kind of simple, but I could only needle felt it from one side. I mean, otherwise the white fibres would come through and sew upon the brown felt. That's pretty much the main part of it done, but now we need to add some contrasting decorations. I'm mostly just keeping it simple here and using dressmaker pins to attach them in place. This means that if I ever want to make different decorations, I can easily replace them. These were kinda fun to make. I honestly just had to guess what to do here since I wanted to add a frill, but I also wanted to keep it very thin and small. With it being small, it can easily fray and break apart if you're not too careful. We're just about done now. What do you think of it?